ABM friends, and we, on behalf of Dalit Bahujan Women Collective XU, I welcome all of you for the protest gathering in solidarity with Justice for Disha Mall, who was brutally raped and murdered in Kerala. Disha is a Dalit law student from Perumbavoor, Kerala, and she was raped and murdered on 28th of April. And we got to know about the issue yesterday, and after 5 days, through social media, people came to know actually, and no media has taken the issue, and no media has covered the issue for 5 days. And this is a time where when election is going on, election campaigns are going on in Kerala. So no media has covered the issue at all. And Disha's rape case, this issue, that is like Delhi, it is the act which happened on her, that is very brutally she was raped, and the report says that she was raped and sexually assaulted. Similarly, more than Jyoti Singh in Delhi, what happened on her. It's her. I don't want to describe the rape, what act happened on her, the violence. I don't want to describe it. I think most of you know that her intestine also was pulled out. Even her nose were cut, and also iron rod was inserted in her vagina, and all those happened. And none of them, nobody is talking about it. And we also came to know yesterday. And after these many days, even now in Kerala, this is media's exclusive. Now they have gone to her house and talking to her relatives, and now we are coming to know what happened. And she is the one. She has struggled a lot, and she was staying with her mother. Mother is also, she's from very poor family, and her mother works as a maid servant, and she was alone when she got raped at home. Her mother came after her work, and she found her daughter's dead body, and even she screamed and all. Nobody has responded. And no neighbors, nobody has responded. Nobody came and asked for hours. And she was alone. And finally, immediately, her dead body was cremated. And it should not happen like that. So, for further investigation, they can't even do that post-mortem or further. So that's what they did deliberately, and it's very evident that it's well planned murder. And some report says that also she was alone at home. And she was very strong Dalit woman, and some issues were happened with some people, and one incident happened recently that her mother got an accident, and a bike hit. She fell down, and Disha went and took the bike key from the people, and she denied to give the bike key. So some neighbors interfered, and they said because of them, they asked for it, then she gave the bike key. So she had complaint against the people. She had filed a police case. So all these issues happened some days back, and after these long days of deliberate silence, now media is talking about all these issues, and suddenly after the response in social media by Dalit activists and other people. So finally, government is forced to take an action, and now they have quickly, in one day they have they are saying that the culprits are migrant laborers, and they might have done it. And also, her relative is also they are questioning them. So, yeah, these are the actions they have taken now. So we are not sure what happened it is, but it is very evident that it was a planned murder, rape, and for it happened with assertive Dalit woman. So nobody is talking about it. See, we had seen that how what happened with the Delhi after Delhi rape case, and there were a lot of public meetings happened, and the whole India responded to it very in a way that it got public attention a lot. And but what happened to Jisha, that nobody is talking about it, and no public meetings, even in Kerala. Nothing was today. Today there are a lot of protests is happening, but after these many days, nobody even knows there is such issue happen, and people think that Kerala is very educated and progressive Kerala, and people respond quickly. The public response happens there, and so yeah, this is what actually happened in Kerala. Now I think people come to know what is how caste. Is prevalent in Kerala. Also, this media, still now they are not talking about is a Dalit issue. There are a lot of doubts, people have doubts that whether she is a Dalit woman. So they are saying that it's like a Delhi rape. They are saying that, okay, it happened in a place called Perumbavoor rape case. So that is the thing they are talking now, Perumbavoor rape case. So there is no mention about which caste she belongs to. So that caste violence, that is not coming out. It's not coming to the discussions, and people are not talking about it. They say that, similarly they say that like Suryanelli rape case, Perumbavoor rape case. It's just a rape case. No question of caste is coming out. So in this situation, uh, we plan to do a protest here. So I would like to invite Anita, Dr. Anita, to speak a few words.